Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick 4-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to unshare a board in Monday.com, perfect for beginners. If you accidentally shared a board or no longer want someone to access it, this video will help you fix that in seconds. Let's get started. Before we unshare anything, it's important to know that Monday.com has 3 types of boards: main board, visible to everyone in your Monday.com account; shareable board, can be shared with people outside your team, guests or clients; private board, only visible to people you manually invite. If you want to unshare a board, you can remove people from it or simply change the board type so no one outside your team can see it. Step 1. Open your board. Go to the left side menu and click the board that you want to unshare. Step 2. Open Board Share Settings. At the top right corner, click on the Share icon, or it may be labeled Share or shown as a person icon depending on your plan. This opens the list of all members and guests who currently have access to the board. Step 3. Remove people, unshare individually. You'll see everyone who has access to the board: members, viewers, or guests. To unshare the board from someone, hover your mouse over their name, click the X or Remove option next to their name. That's it. They instantly lose access to the board. If you want to stop sharing the board with everyone outside your team, do this. Option A. Convert shareable board to private board. 1. Click the 3-dot menu on the top right corner. 2. Click on Board Settings. 3. Select Change Board Type. 4. Choose Private. This makes the board visible only to invited team members. Option B. Convert shareable board to main board. If you want the board visible only within your workspace, go to Board Settings, click on Change Board Type, and choose Main Board. This removes all guests automatically. In this video, you learned how to 1. Remove individual users from a board. 2. Change a board from shareable to private or main. And 3. Completely stop sharing a board with external guests. This is super useful when you're working with clients, freelancers, or temporary collaborators. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.